Hi everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. We are going to be discussing the January 2025 release for Trinity stamps. I'm so excited. There are some fun products, and I have some really fun cards that I want to share with you. We had a snowstorm here and I got it a little bit late, but I was so inspired by so many of the products in here that I just had to jump in and play. So we're going to get started with our Waffle Lot 4x4 stamp set. So it's absolutely adorable. It is a stamp and stencil set. Okay, so you get your stamp, which has this cute little heart waffle. You got a little face you can put on there. You're waffly cute. I like you. I love you. I miss you. And then with all those, you can put a waffle lot, which is darling. And then this really fun stencil stencils it up. So you don't have to worry about coloring it. You can just stencil it. And now there is a matching die to go along with it, and what that does is it'll cut out the waffle, the heart waffle, and then you also have the face you can cut out, and then the You're Waffly Cute, and then it also has the shadow to go along with it. So I'm going to keep all those together, and I do have a card to show you because I used all the stuff. This one was so much fun to make. I stamped all over the background and then stenciled each of my waffles and then stenciled the separate one and gave it a little face and then put I love you, a waffle lot. The whole breakfast theme, I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. And so along with that, there is a giant waffle stencil. So I'm just going to put this off to the side. But there's this giant waffle stencil and it's big, and it comes with 3 stencils. So the same thing, it'll kind of give you that look to it, that it's got 3D, and then you also can do your syrup and then 2 parts for your butter to make it look 3D. And this is the card I made. I just used a circle die. Obviously this would be really fun on a giant 5x7 card, but I had to pair it up with, you know, our Waffle Lot stamp with I miss you, a waffle lot. But this was super fun to make. Oh my goodness, and it just made me really want to have waffles for dinner. We may still do that, who knows, but such a cute set. There are more breakfasty type things coming, but I have some other stuff I want to show you. So, but if you are into waffles, folks, this one's for you. And these 2 cards. Ooh. Yeah, those, yeah, so super cute. All right, now we're going to move on. We've got this tiny little mouse die. So it cuts out the little mouse. We've got the eye and the nose and then a little part for the ear, and I made a cute little cheese card with it. Now this uses a couple of previously released items. I'll try to have those linked down below, but it uses up this cheese piece from the You're the Greatest die set, which is awesome because it has a grater if you haven't seen it, and then it has a bunch of words for like you're great, and then you can add the ST, you're so great, you're, you know, grateful, all those. It's a really cute little die set. And then you have the cheesy background. Now these are not new. Those are previously released, but they just go so good together. And I had to pair that up with one of our circle dies. Let's see if I grabbed it out. I did, but I may have put it away. Because I used a bunch of fun things. Yeah, that one uses one of our, because we have 3 different sizes, one of our modern embossed panels for A2 cards. I think it uses the big one. It uses number 1, so you got 2 and 3 as well. But and those are not new either. But I made a little flat shaker out of it because that little mouse is so stinking cute. So there's a tiny little die. All right, next up, going along with that cheese theme, we have this adorable set called Extra Cheese. So if you had been buying basically Trinity Stamps was doing if you bought so much, then you got a free little stamp. And they had the little cheeses and stuff like that. And there's some new ones. Some of these are older, but they're flipped. And but there's a lot of new ones, a lot of really cute ones. You can make your little charcuterie board. And then I do have the matching die to go along with it, but Extra Cheese. And along with that, there's also this darling stamp set called Brilliant Stamp or Sentiments. So it's all cheese sentiments. You've got Swissing You, A, and then you could put Happy Birthday. They're all separate. Just in case so you didn't know, You're the Greatest, Way to Go, You're Brilliant, unbelievable mac and cheese, looking Gouda. You put the cute in charcuterie. I believe in you. Ain't no one cheddar than you. You cracker me up. It's always feta when we're together. Or together. Sending Gouda vibes. You mac me so happy. You're a great friend. I'm so fondue of you. Things can only get feta. Sorry you're feeling blue. You're aged to perfection. A camembert when we're apart. You know the way to my heart. To cheddar is the best place to brie. Cheese board, as in board like you're bored, and you're stinking cute. We also have great job. We go together like, and not feeling too Gouda. But you also have a question mark and you have an exclamation point. But anyway, I do have a card for that. That one's just so fun. I used the little cheese. So I didn't use one of the sentiments on this. I did use it on our little mouse, Ain't No One Cheddar Than You. But this one is fun because it obviously goes with so many of those adorable stamps. All of them, actually. So love that. Well, you'll see this one again. But isn't that a fun set? Now we're going to switch paces here. We have this cute little dinosaur. I don't know if it's an actual set. Partysaurus? No. So Partysaurus is this cute stamp that has Have a Dynamite Birthday. Partysaurus and Happy Birthday. You have a balloon, and then you have this cute little like Stegosaurus with all the, he's got little party hats over his spikes. And then there is a matching die to cut out everything. And I went ahead and made this card with it. I had it like he was looking at it. It was as a celebration for his birthday. Using a die set, or a stencil, which I don't, of course, have it out here now, but it is a stencil that is in the store, and also a die to make the little hills. But he's so cute. Have a Dynamite Birthday. Super fun, and I do love how if you get the dies, you can die cut out the sentiment as well. So cute. Now, going along that dinosaur theme, we also had this, oh my gosh, these dinosaurs. It's called Terrific Dinos, and I am absolutely in love with each of those images because they're just so darling. You've got this cute one with the little brontosauruses that are like loving on each other. You've got this one. He's got balloons holding him up. Triceratops holding a little heart. You got a T-Rex with his little arm grabbers, and then these two that are trying to hug each other. I love you this much. You make my heart soar. You're terrific. You're the Triceratops. Hug me. I'm trying. You are roarsome. You're dynamite. And I did, I did have to use those stinking adorable T-Rexes trying to hug each other. And then I paired it up with this die set that has been out for a minute. But it's all the little tiny speech bubbles, which go perfectly with the Hug Me, I'm trying. And then I did pair it up with an older stamp set that was released last year, the Simply Sentimental Hugs, because y'all know how much I love the Simply Sentimentals. And I just feel like they're a staple. Like they're absolutely a staple. Gotta have them. And then there are some new embellishments, and we'll talk about those in a minute as well. So isn't that cute? There's the matching dies as well. They all the sentiments and all the images, even the little ones. It has ones for even the little ones. I didn't use those, but how cute. Oh, so cute. And then along the dino line, we have the Petite Prehistoric Pals. Now there's no stamp set for it, but oh my goodness. And I didn't get a chance to play with it. But the team has some brilliant ideas for this. I've seen the Dino Nuggies. I've seen, I think Carrie makes little, like those circus cookies that are pink with the frosting and the little sprinkles on it. You could probably make little animal cookies as well. There's some really great silhouette stuff that people have done. There's just a lot of options for this, and it would go really well with all those dinosaur sentiments. So really, really cute. All right, and then we're going to go back to that breakfast theme. We've got the toaster card die set. Now, this might be my new obsession because it is A2 size. Even if you put the little toast inside of it, as long as you leave enough room, this will fit into an A2 size envelope. And I made my card for the hop video using this die set. And you get this cute little note. And I, you know, made a toaster. Because, yeah, why not, right? I'm in love. And I did pair this up with, well, I'll show you that in a second. But I love this. This is so stinking cute because if you think about it, let's toast to you. This calls for a toast. But anything that you would toast, like any sort of celebration, any congratulations, like a toast to the bride and groom, a toast to you, Dad, a toast to Mom, the grad, you know, whatever you want to do, any sort of celebration, I feel like this would be perfect for it. So I love stamps and dies that have a lot of versatility, and even though it's a toaster, it has so much versatility because the pun of toasting anybody, I don't know. Anyway, I'm obsessed. So you're definitely going to see this again. Absolutely love it. So yeah, fabulous. And then just love my toaster card. So if you want to see how I made this card, head back to my channel and you can check it out. Okay, more along that breakfast theme. We've got our This Calls for a Toast stamp set, which obviously would go so incredibly beautiful with our toaster card die set. But you've got your toaster, you've also got your bread, you've got a heart, you've got these words. Another one bites the crust, a toast to, the happy couple, your birthday, achievement, new baby, success, you, new job, newlyweds, retirement, better days, for butter or worse, you're my butter half, the best is yet to crumb, congratulations, this calls for a toast, the new year, you're my jam, the host. See? Like, it just screams any type of celebration. And I went ahead and made a card for a couple that we know is getting married this summer. And so I put, and they are all about the puns and fun stuff, so I knew this card would be perfect for them. A toast to the happy couple. So with this little toast, I made one toast that looks, you know, masculine, and another one I put little eyelashes on to make it look like a girl. So how cute is that? And then you do have the matching die to cut out the toaster, and then a toast to you, and it, like this, does your shadow and the words, and then the heart. So you don't have ones for all the words, but I feel like that's okay because they're so straight and easy to trim out that I'm good with that. So I really love that set. It's so cute. So cute. And then finally, going back to my staples, Simply Sentimental. I've got the Simply Sentimental Friend. I have them all. Yeah, I'm on the team and I have them all, but I would have them all anyway because I do think these are such staples. I love that you have friend or friendship or even friends in different fonts. And then if you did get the matching die, you could very easily cut the friends down to friend if you really wanted to. You could just very easily trim off that S. You know, but you have friendship, and then you do have one that is friend. But I love these. And then we've got means so much to me. You've got a in me. You're for my wonderful. Thank you for being a. There is nothing like a. I can always count on you. I'm so lucky to have you as a. I'm here for you always. Are the family we choose. Best, amazing, and it takes a long time to grow an old friend. And going back, I did use that one for this. Since it was cheese, and sometimes cheese has to age, I figured it takes a long time to grow an old friend was perfect for our little cheese images. I did use it in this one. Just used the die, though, the friendship die. But this is definitely a staple. I mean, if you make friend cards, you're going to want it, you know. I mean, I'm obsessed with this whole release. Like, the ideas were flowing as soon as I saw the images, and I'm in love. Absolutely in love. All right, so there are a few embellishments. Super happy about that. We've got several types of sparkle spots. I don't have them all. I've got 4 of them, and I've just gone ahead and I went ahead and labeled them. But there are the fuchsia sparkle spots, which are this really beautiful pink. It's like that hot pink color. We have the orange sparkle spots. I think I used Okay, I used the orange sparkle spots on here, on this card, because that orange and teal just goes so well together. So I used the orange sparkle spots there. The watermelon sparkle spots are a really pretty pink. And actually, I don't know that I didn't use them. I actually used the fuchsia sparkle spots on this one also. And then I also have the lime sparkle spots. Now there's one more. It's the grape sparkle spots. So I'm assuming that's probably a purple. So probably really, really pretty. It would go really well with any sort of like jam or something like that. But yeah, so happy with this release. And excited, just excited for the options of what you can make. I'm excited to see what everybody does do. Just looking through the design team's stuff, I think you're going to be impressed and you're going to be excited and probably pretty inspired. But I would like to know, what was your favorite? What's your favorite product or line or whatever? Or is there a card you like that you'd love to see me make? Go ahead and leave that down in the comments section down below. I love reading your comments. And yeah, I can't wait to see what you guys think and what you guys, if you end up getting anything, what you guys make. Hit that like button, consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And as always, I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.